Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your information technology IT consultant business. For example, you have an information technology IT consultant business in where your clients can share their goal, and on the basis of their goal, you can provide them a performance report, also the contact information of your information IT consultant business. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your clients send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your information technology IT consultant business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of information technology IT consultant, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Future IT Consulting Services. We help businesses like yours unlock the power of technology, from solving IT issues to building smart, scalable systems. Here's what I can do for you today. While providing me 3 options, that is share your goals, performance report, and contact details. If I'll click on share your goals, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you for reaching Future IT Consulting Service. Please share your goal. So here I am sharing my goal. Here I shared my goal. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your IT goal with us. We are excited to explore the right tech solution and help your business grow smarter. Our team will connect with you shortly. Now if I'll click on performance report, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me their performance report and one message, that is need help understanding the report, tab below, and providing me one button, that is contact details. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will provide me the contact details of this Future IT consulting service. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your information technology IT consultant business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right-hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see a total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our information technology IT consultant business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and inactive button, and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of information technology consultant business. After that, now I want to write one welcome message for my client. For that, I am clicking on this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here. Select media type as image and upload one image related to my information technology IT consultant business by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I want to write one welcome message for my clients. For that, I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. You can also write caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it. At the end of this message, you can see I'll ask my client that here's what I can do for you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some quick buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box. Here I am giving them three quick buttons. Here I write it, that is share your goals, performance report and contact details. Now if my clients wants to share their goals with me, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this action option, take button as ask question. Drag this question box here and writing a question as that thank you for reaching future IT consulting service. Please share your goal. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as goal. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of share your goal to this message. It is connected. Now, whenever my clients will provide me their goal, then my bot will respond. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Now, the next one is the performance report. If my clients wants the performance report of my information IT consultant business, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message message box where I can write my performance report. Here I write it. In this also I am giving them one quick buttons, that is contact details. Here I provided. Now the last one is the contact details. If my clients wants to directly contact with me, as my clients wants to know the contact details of my information technology IT consultant business, then they will click on this button, contact details, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the contact details of my information technology IT consultant business. Here I write it. I am also connecting this circle which are present in front of contact details to this message because the response would be the same. Here I am also connecting the starting point of my flow to this welcome message. By clicking on this, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. It is connected. Connection plays the major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your information technology IT consultant business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the necessary details you want to share with them, contact information, performance report, and response to them instantly without you doing anything. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.